All right, Peter Obi is out again for Nigerian presidency, and he has been moving from party to party and all that. I've seen people throwing party, rejoicing, celebrating. Oh, he's the best. A lot of people are following him. Oh, we have our own. We are going to produce. We are going to do this. We're going to do that. There's something that Shore said in Honest Front Porch. Okay, a program that this guy called the husband material, and that the phrase are now hosting with a few other ladies. She already reveals something that in Nigerian constitution or Nigerian system of government or in Nigeria as a country, there's a secret document that prohibits an Igbo man to become Nigerian president. He made this revelation to people that actually care. But those who don't care, of course, no matter what you say, they will pretend not to understand what Shore was talking about. Why am I saying this? The recent move of Peter Obi to contest against Tinubu, people from different regions are somehow happy with Peter Obi for making that bold step. Now, to me and to Igbo people, it is a trap. And that trap is what we are here to discuss. Please make sure you like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. It's not going to cost you anything. Do all you can to be a partaker of this particular message by sharing it and doing the needful, liking the video, putting your comments to help this particular video to get to people, especially our people that may not understand or are somehow trapped and they cannot reason properly. Please, it's time for you to do the needful and save lives. Now, please pay close attention to this message from our brother, and of course, a little message from Nikki Agnes. Together in this one video, I'll be right back.
Now, the problem of a black man, the problem of every black man is common sense of reasoning. And another thing about a black person was sense of reasoning, and a black person hates rehab or truth. Now, listen to me and listen carefully. When you know who you will want, when you know who is Biafra, right? Mwagabenti kamepe ganya tata. Nda usa plan go. Ndu gwa plan go. Ndu Fulani ha plan go. We may indoor meeting na 1st of January. And the outcome of that meeting go ka we put Tinubu na ochi. And Tinubu no we yokotere. Ko put na ochi for the sake of their Islam. Maka na anya mbo waja afota Islam na Nigeria ha na afota ha as ndị na-emegide Christians. And Islamic agenda ha abago na njodo since America na Israel tilaka. Ndị military campaign against Islamic government na Nigeria bugodo ndị Canada bihe military. Anya ụmụ nwa niile debe Nigeria no keta as I speak to you based on megide ha na-emegide both ma ndị Igbo na the Christians nọ n'ime. And anya ndị ọcha ji afọta anyị nwa mgbe international community ji afọta anyị nwa ha na-afọta anyị asị gịnị Christians. Ha na-afọta anyị asị ndị Christians kwesịrị iwuru ha mana Nigeria jụ na-eme intimidate. Mgbe gọọmenti ọfụma ndị ugwu wee fụ na agenda ha na secret here likigo. Ada ebe ha na wee gbaa fọkọp bụ mgbe ha pikiri Muslim ticket. Even half you na ụwa bụ ha onwe na Nigeria bụ ha onwe emeghe were bribe echikọrọ bụ na ha mara na America ga dị interested na case Nigeria to the na Britain ekwezi atapụrụ ha ọnụ ngwa gentị ọfụma sisi Britain na-ekwezi atapụrụ ha ọnụ Nigeria nọ on their own Islamic agenda ha ka na-aga n'ihu ngwa gentị nna m ke wee na-achịtazụ wee mee meeting wee sị ka ha wiki wepụ anya mba ụwa ebe Nigeria nọ ha chi wepụ anya mba ụwa ebe Nigeria nọ for that reason ka ha nye Peter Obi slot ka Peter Obi je president and ihe Peter Obi ga-aga one tenor president ka Peter Obi ga-aga mgbe kwuo online wee dee ya online wee expose wee such a thing unu niile na-agbọ mkpababa Peter Obi ga-ejegoro president force ya jegoro president force gee ntị n'ụlọ amaghị ihe ụmụ nwantị na like ebe ndị Igbo nọ ndị Igbo adịghị use sense ha Peter Obi je this one tenor president Biden Donald Trump apụ na ọchị ọ bụ na Peter Obi banye as president mbụ was na Christians can opportunity to rule after all Christians na Christian na achịzi Biden Donald Trump apụ na ọchị before you know it Trump binya on the push ya ni number one against kita obono pona na ochi then Peter Obi ochicha we rito we nye president house over again e bido kwazi ni sebe hakosa gina batara ndị Igbo acha use sense ha all this while in election the one thing kan kwase gezi okwu even kabas ndị Yoruba kwetebeko ha ha Tinubu wa yogeji kote aka na agbo ya share which means aka meche Peter Obi weekend emeche na Peter Obi buta me ya Tinubu ma win kwa ochi ya by then Peter Obi buta mebe campaign solo JB na America kubezi okwu na Igbo Christians America na chala anya because there were candidates from Christian religion. When I use the questions soon. When I use the questions soon. And the opportunity in the woman would not Trump. If opportunity Biafra squad Biafra would not Trump. I saw one day vote to the P2B. Let P2B go for presidency, no problem. My friend Jacob, P2B Jacob president, Manama no Gano no Donald Trump apo. And opo, wulu na gala unu neme kemgbe maka Biafra Indiana. Oka kwamma tribu jeto second ten ya. Yes, I'm saying it. Ya jeto second ten ya jeto pie. Okwo chechi ya churu ochi anisi. Ọ na second ten ya ka ihe niile ga-eme Nigeria ga-anọ mie. Hapụ Tinubu ka o je second ten ya ndị Igbo. Mana unu chọzụkwa ije me mkpọtụ, je me mkpọtụ ka ndị ọcha fụta anyị, ka international community fụta anyị na anyị ka nwere right campaign for ọchị. And ọ bụ na Peter Obi bido campaign ihe ọ na-achị campaign. Mbụ wanye na sto na enwere Christian na campaign for ọchị. Ebido yebe ha hope na Peter Obi ga-eje na ọchị, na Peter Obi ga-eje na ọchị. Ya na Peter Obi ga president, na Peter Obi ga president. Immediately anya mbụ wapụrụ. Ha ga wike sefa as Peter Obi ọchị anyị. Why is Peter Obi Russian? Why can't him allow Tinubu to second ten ya? Ya chịtọ second ten ojebe gị bụ na ojebe gị anya ga-anwụ. Ọ bụrụ na enwere Igbo president Tinubu chịtọkwa ọchị ya. Yes, ka anyị magodoro ebe anyị na international community okwu. Tinubu chịtọkwa ọchị ya, a na-ekwu ekwusi ike na-apịa aka n'obi were ekwu ya chịtọkwa ọchị ya. 4 years afọrọ Tinubu agaghị egbu anyị. Anyị atabago afọ bụ na anyị atabaghị. Peter Obi pụta kịta mebe mkpọtụ election das ga-eme anyị wa ma unu na-amarụ. Ọ ga-emekwa anyị wa, ọ ga-ejide struggle anyị na-eme ka ya Biafra na international community na-egbukwa anyị. Donald Trump gị bịakwa, ọ ga-ejide ha ncha na-ekpu anyị na maka enweghị candidate community side anya and I support ya. Ndị ọcha afụta anyị na anyị ga-adị interested na Nigeria. Ọgwa nkọ ha n'ọnụ onye chọzụkwa.
This is an intelligent information. I posted this video before. And the end post again today. Ona nchọpụta na ndị be anyị ada n'ihe, ndị Igbo, ndị Biafra be anyị ada n'ihe. Like a whole lot of them. Ndị be anyị ada n'ihe. Ama m ugboro one ife ga-eme ndị be anyị before ha anụwa ihe. Ndị be anyị ụmụ Igbo. Ama m ugboro one ndị ikwe ndị ekweghọ. I don't know. Ihe nji na-post video but in case you have forgotten. And some people with one mind, nakajo this guy, ego neka apo ya. Can you imagine? Dika ego neka apo yoji bianye an intelligent information that nala pugodu give from now till how many years you can never bring such thoughts out. Exactly. Somebody bianye an official information, very deep one. Ige tupula na cheche. For the ego neka apo ya, man mechion kanka. A lot of you are still being deceived by these people. And I keep asking this question. Peter Obi in 2023, potara. Another mandate ya. Till today, Peter Obi anatabe that mandate. No, now. Tinubu, no, no, chichi. Ka Peter Obi again na potaya mandate ya. Do you understand? Peter Obi don't abandon Labour Party, right? No, kita gonna again na pota Tinubu. If eventually Peter Obi win, it una amana that now these people na play game. Look at Nigeria they exposed all over the world. No, is it the foreigners behind the busy news of if any men in Nigeria because ndị ba anyị na-ebe ahụ judge onye ọbụla. If too much, they will go carry you, lock you up. Okay, like Nigeria they exposed. They are doing a Nigeria government now. They are doing everything possible to know how KGC make a happy divide in Nigeria. Just to cut Trump po. Akwụnụ na ife Tinubu na-ekwu recently no ndị enemy ya di terrorism na askata gọọmenti ya mana ụjọ ada atụ ya na ọ ka ga-emekwa campaign second term ya and na ọ ga-apụta win kwe the second term. Can you imagine? Ọ dị ekwu dị okwu how to stop the terrorism. Just that position ahụ na ife na-eme mbezu that place. That's the only concern. Amami Tito Obi, amami ọ na-achọ na Nigeria presidency. Onye nwe ntị ya no biko gbasawa this video very viral. Our people need to wake up. Mkpu anyị na-eti na social media since ọ dị ka ọ daha ba isi some of our people. If some people with certain argument ilechi chiara onwe gị ọchị. Ụfọdụ si na a na-akwụ Simon Ekpa ụgwọ. Imagine Nigeria government as na Simon Ekpa wụ na ụmụazị dịka ị na-akwụ m ụgwọ nrụ ọrụ gị ọrụ ahụ wee cast ya. Gị nwa na-akwụ m ụgwọ gakwa bribe mmadụ ka eje elo m dem nwa ka no open my mouth. Ihu m na da akọdị like this. I don't know. Some people put on no hemepe camera kọwa ihe ọbụla amasị ifa. Look at the situation of the country. Cost of things. Chai. Because boss one video ka ndị nwere ntị na anụ, ndị na-achọrọ ịnụ. They continue doing this.
All right. In 2023, during Nigerian general election, presidential election, we also said the same thing. That this P2B, forcing himself to become Nigerian president looks suspicious. Who is he working for? And of what gain is for our people? Because remember, after the election, when it's done on him that he's not going to be president of Nigeria, he cried out publicly. Despite my differences or despite our differences or how we see his presidential ambition, to be a kind of sabotage to our people. Seeing him shedding tears in front of Nigerian cameras, I felt so bad and felt weak seeing him going through that. As our own, P2B is our brother. He is our uncle, our father, whatever you want to tell, you understand what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, he's one of us. But we have differences, on how we see Nigeria and where Nigeria is going to. Doesn't mean that P2B is so somehow, naive about Nigeria. No, he actually knows this better than many of us. But he still want to, to believe that he can really make something out of it. Now, it is his own personal opinion. Whether he's being contracted to do it, I don't know. But I can tell you that his presence in Nigerian election system and everything is not of any good or any kind to our people. Am I saying that he's not gonna make a good president? He can make a good president, but not in Nigeria. Do you understand? Why? Because the system is not wired for him to survive. A system that swallows anything good and turn it to become bad is a system that you want to go in and start doing what? P2B is already in Nigerian political system when Goodluck Jonathan served as Nigerian president by miracle. I say miracle because even though Yoruba did not die, he wouldn't have even dreamed to even contest to become a president in the first place. Then he lost the election. They forced him out using foreign powers and all that. You know what happened? Meaning that he was not able to serve fully like they normally go after 8 years. But there's something that happened during his regime that make me to believe that any Christian or Igbo man that smell that seed by any means necessary, the person will always face the same thing Goodluck faced. Under Goodluck, Boko Haram was fully engaged to the extent that late Buhari said that an attack on Boko Haram is an attack on the North. Most of the ambition of Buhari to become Nigerian president, he intensified it just because he wanted to become Nigerian president to accomplish that which may be difficult for that tribe to accomplish. Go and listen to video, conversation between the current Nigerian president and with one Yoruba man. There's something he also said there that he have realized that his brother is his brother. That no matter what his brother do now as Nigerian president, that he will back his brother up. Because what other people cannot do for you, that only your brother can do it for you. That statement also means that they realize that they are not supposed, as a government, you are not supposed to go out and end Boko Haram and terrorists. That's why Buhari came in and modernized the terrorism and make it more legal and more acceptance in Nigeria today. Goodluck Jonathan frowned face very, very much on Boko Haram and the existence in Nigeria. That triggered Northerners to push against him, to push him away. Of course, anything that's going to work against anybody that's connected to Igbo is, of course, the first choice of an average Yoruba politicians. They backed him up and forced him out. Who told you that P2B is not going to face the same thing? There are so many other things to point out, but time may not permit us in this video. I just want to understand that the president of P2B forcing himself to become Nigerian president may work this time. Hear me out. It may work in the sense that Fulanis are very clever when it comes to politics. They have realized that international committees are frowning face and they have invested so much money to bring the terrorism this far. Going against it now will cause more harm than good. They're gonna allow, they may not, I'm not saying it categorically clear that Peter is going to win. They may allow him now just to take your mind away, just like what this our brother said in this video, just to shift your mindset away and make it look like Christians are actually striving to become president, and they are being allowed to contest and being voted or being voted for. Okay, they are going to use that to calm this tension and buy time for themselves to re-strategize. They are going to re-strategize, replan, and come back with another tactics. That is what P2B is going to contribute for you, and that is what P2B is going to represent, in a just second. Then the idea of Igbo man would have done better will be delegated. And why at this point in time P2B cannot make it, make a good president, in my own opinion, is because they will do everything to prove that Igbos cannot even get it done. That the reason why, they have been doing it among themselves because of by merit and all that. You are complaining about how Nigeria is today against people. You will see Shege in Tinubu's second tenure and P2B's first tenure. That mark it somewhere, because the system, it may not be their fault entirely, but the system is not going to allow anybody to strive. In fact, let me not just restrict it to Tinubu and P2B. Anybody that's going to merge as Nigerian president in 2027, the pain will intensify. The cry will be unheard of. Everything will go sour. I'm not laying costs. I'm just telling you what is obtainable. So, this idea of P2B, this and that, if you don't believe me, the message and the meaning attached to this guy's message, you don't need to joke with it. You cannot joke with it. A country that are not bothered about the way forward and lives, everything is just upside down. How can you explain this to people? Anyway, let me just end it here. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about the message. Do you agree or disagree? Hit the like button, hit the comment section and tell us. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now. Take care, bye.